Welcome to a SIM code. Like this video? Then subscribe and share it with your friends who love coding too. A calorie counter is a tool or app that helps people track the number of calories they consume and burn throughout the day. The basic idea behind it is to help individuals manage their diet, maintain a healthy weight, or achieve specific health goals, such as losing weight or gaining muscle. This program helps track the calories consumed and burned during the day. It calculates whether the person is in a calorie surplus or deficit for the day. Function to calculate the total calories consumed from food. This function takes a dictionary of food items and their corresponding calorie values, and calculates the total number of calories consumed. Parameters: food_items. Dicta dictionary where the key is the name of the food item and the value is the number of calories per serving. Returns: int, the total number of calories consumed. Initialize a variable to accumulate the total calories consumed. Starts at 0. Loop over each food item in the dictionary to add up the calories. Food represents the food name, e.g., apple. Calories is the number of calories in that food item. Add the calories of the current food item to the running total. Return the total calories consumed. Function to calculate the total calories burned through exercise. This function calculates the total calories burned based on exercise and the person's basal metabolic rate (BMR). Parameters: exercise_duration, float the number of hours spent exercising. Metabolic_rate, float the rate at which the body burns calories at rest, BMR, typically measured in calories per hour. Returns, float, the total number of calories burned during exercise. Calculate the calories burned during exercise by multiplying the exercise duration with the metabolic rate. Function to calculate the energy balance, whether the person is in a surplus or deficit. This function compares the calories consumed with the calories burned, and determines if the person is in a calorie surplus or deficit. Parameters: calories underscore int the total calories consumed. Calories underscore burned, float the total calories burned. Returns str, a string indicating if the person is in a surplus or deficit. If calories consumed are greater than burned, return surplus, weight gain potential. If fewer calories were consumed than burned, it's a deficit. If calories and equals calories burned, return maintenance, no weight change. Example usage. Define a dictionary of food items with their respective calories. An apple has 95 calories. A banana has 105 calories. A sandwich has 300 calories. Define the exercise duration in hours and the BMR, basal metabolic rate. 1.5 hours of exercise. The person burns 70 calories per hour at rest. Calculate the total calories consumed using the function. This calls the function to sum up the calories consumed. Calculate the total calories burned using the function. This calls the function to calculate the burned calories. Determine the energy balance using the function. This compares calories consumed and burned. Print the results. Display the total calories consumed. Display the total calories burned. Display the energy balance, surplus, deficit, or maintenance. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more awesome videos.